Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to change background color on Instagram story. For this, open the Instagram, tap to add the story, like I'm adding this one. Now to change the background color of the story, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Here you will find the draw option, select it, then choose any of the color that you want to select as the background. Like I want to go with this one. Then just tap and hold on the screen and it goes of the different color. Now to reveal your story, you can use this eraser option here and can remove or erase that particular area of your story that you want to reveal. This will look beautiful as well as it gives a new state to your story. You can also draw any other pattern and just tap on the right sign and can send it. Then share. In this way, you can change the background color of your story. Tap on the story and see. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos. Do like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.